Welcome back. So I've been working on this octahedron here. Looks like a gemstone from a video game. And I'm going to show you in my part 3 of my solid objects tutorial series how to make one of these. Let me just get my workspace set up, X-ray and parallel view. Let me get rid of this example. So as you can see, my layers are already set up here. So to get started, let's start with a 3D face, and we must mark its coordinates. Start with 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, and 0, 1, and there we have it, our first face. Since we used a 3D face, it already comes with a completely filled face. The same thing will not happen immediately with a polygon, which we will use with 3 sides to make a side face. Select the edge, of course, just like we did in the previous video with the tetrahedron. Just like that. Select the region command, select the triangle face, and now it is completely filled. Now, how can we rotate this triangle to make it into a pyramid? First off, we must use our UCS command so we can reposition our axis. Select the first point and then the second point here. And then the third point will be somewhere between the coordinates I am marking down here. Just like that. Just use the usual 0, 0, 100. Now let's make 2 circles, each one with a meter radius. Actually, yeah, just like that. Got switched here. Yeah, but that's exactly how you do it. And now, just like in the tetrahedron, we have this intersection here between circles. So we will do the exact same thing we did in the previous video. Let's actually use a line. Select this face here, and then just double click these 2 vertices. Select your furthest vertex and connect it to the intersection. And as we can see, our first side face has been positioned. Let's get rid of these circles. And now we need to make an array of this triangular face so we can finish our pyramid, the first part of our octahedron. Select Array Classic, Polar Array, 4 faces, and select the rotation point. And now we can click. I almost forgot to select the actual face. I'm just going to select the rotation point again just to be sure. Then click OK. Well, this was not supposed to happen. Always remember when you're trying to do an array classic to make sure you are using the right grid. In this case, I need to put my UCS axis into the world preset, like that. Now we can get rid of these, which we do not need. And yes, now we can repeat the array classic. Okay, all in position, 4 faces. Select the object again and specify the rotation point. And yep, just like that, we've got the pyramid, our first part of the octahedron. Now, to make the second part is quite easy. All we need to do is once again change the UCS axis. Click here for the first vertex, here for the second vertex, and once again make 0, 0, 100, to determine the top axis. I guess in this case it's the y-axis. Now select your 4 triangles, and all you have to do now is make a mirror. Select this vertex and that vertex, and keep the source objects. Let me just put my UCS back into its world preset, and there you have it, a fully completed octahedron. Put this into shaded and give it a perspective view to make it a bit more realistic. Yep, just like a gemstone from a video game. Well, I hope this tutorial helped you understand better how to make a octahedron. This has been part 3 of my Solid Objects tutorial series.